Today is Mardi Gras, and neither the pandemic nor the snowstorm are stopping Ohioans from celebrating Fat Tuesday this year. New at 6, 2 News reporter Kiana Dyches tells us how an Oakwood bakery is holding up the tradition.
Bakeries like Ashley's Pastry Shop that are known for their Paczki saw a steady flow of customers, but it wasn't quite like their lines on a normal Fat Tuesday. The unofficial start of Lent and a tasty break from the pandemic.
What the pandemic has probably taught all of us is to achieve and overcome and adapt. And so a tradition like this is just so important to continue.
It's a tradition that goes back hundreds of years.
Typically, Christians maybe give up or cut back on sweets and sugars in their treats for those 40 days of Lent. So the Paczki is a way for bakers to use up all of their extra flour and sugars and shortenings and butters and fillings before the fasting begins.
Because of this, the Paczkis are richer in dough, there's more butter and shortening, and they're filled with a variety of fruits and flavors.
Apple, chocolate custard, chocolate buttercream.
Hammond says on a normal Fat Tuesday, she'd go through thousands of Paczkis in one day. Tuesday brought in fewer customers, but some who couldn't go without them.
We're super excited to be carrying on the Eastern European traditions of eating Paczkis on Fat Tuesday. It's too big of a tradition for us.
She also welcomed customers starting new traditions with friends.
I'm Italian, but I'm super excited to try them and do it with my friends.
Despite the snow and the weather outside, Fat Tuesday still must go on.
Kiana Dyches, 2 News, working for you.